I want to take 1080 into 1080. Text tool, type A and change the size. Press enter. Canvas, center, okay, and I'm going to make a little bit down. Download this image from pixels, Ctrl T, free transform, right click, flip horizontal, change the size and keep it, reduce the opacity a little bit. It's okay, fine. Change the opacity 100, make the duplicate and right click this image, clipping mask, it's clipped. Turn on this layer, go to selection, select subject, and I'm going to adjust the subject, quick selection tool, and reduce this. It's okay. Make it mask and go to the text layer, hold the control and click the thumbnail and make it selection, Control Shift I or select invoice selection. Go to the mask layer and choose the brush and make it black and brush it. Okay, and go to the text layer, right click, using blending options, change the drop shadow and keep these settings. Color, okay, and go to the background layer and create new gradient layer and click this gradient, select the green, choose the greens and double click here, and I'm going to change some dark green, okay, and click this one. I pick from this image, okay, make it okay, and change it to radial, change to reverse, change the scale, okay, go to the text tool, click here, and the text, make it up, change the font color, pick from this image, okay, move tool and change the size, enter, using brush tool, make some dark color, okay, and background layer, create a new layer here, change the brush, change the size, and move tool and change the opacity. Thank you for watching.